What if there was a way to speed up content creation and produce better stuff at the same time? There is. Welcome to our Content Workflow Guide, your key to unlocking the secrets of efficient content creation. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the chaos of content production, stick around, because we're diving deep into the art of building a streamlined content workflow. And what exactly is a content workflow? It's the backbone of turning ideas into impactful content that hits the mark and captivates your audience. A well-oiled machine, guiding you from ideation to publication. But hey, enough with the theory, let's build a plan together, step by step. Here are the 9 crucial steps for creating an effective content workflow. Step 1. Identify your goals, requirements, and constraints. Without a clear destination, you can't map the journey. Define your goals, understand content needs of site visitors, and be mindful of your limitations. Step 2. Define tasks. List every step in your content creation process, from ideation to promotion. That includes everything you see here, and potentially more. And don't forget, approvals count as a task. Use a content planning tool to organize them into a logical workflow. Step 3. Assign a team leader. Delegation is key. Appoint someone like a content or project manager to steer the ship, making critical decisions and ensuring smooth sailing. Step 4. Identify your content team. Know your team's strengths and weaknesses. Efficient teams maximize resources, so choose wisely. Step 5. Create a content strategy workflow diagram. Visualize your workflow to spot bottlenecks and optimize processes. Our diagram maker can be your creative ally here in mapping this out. Step 6. Define start and end points. Know where your content journey begins and ends. Remember to clarify tasks that come after publication too, like promotion, to avoid surprises. Step 7. Diagram the user flow. Map out how a user navigates through your site to optimize the experience, identify missing content, and fix any navigational hiccups. Step 8. Order and delegate tasks. Streamline your workflow by minimizing handoffs between team members. Aim for a lean, efficient collaboration machine. Step 9. Build revisions into your workflow. Anticipate revisions as part of content development to manage expectations and ensure achievable deadlines. With a workflow in place, how your team moves through it matters. There are task-based and status-based workflows. Task-based provides a detailed, linear roadmap with one step needing to be completed before the next starts. While status-based workflows focus on project stages, offering a more flexible way to work. This option is great for experienced teams who don't need much hand-holding. So, what's the point of going through all of this effort? We mentioned some of it at the beginning, but let's go further into the benefits of building a workflow like this. Try these on for size. Expedited planning and ideation. More consistent quality based on thorough content briefs. Reliably meeting deadlines. Cost reduction, minimized revisions, shorter waiting times, scalable content production, and the byproduct of all that, increased site visits. That's the power of a well-crafted content workflow. So there you have it, your blueprint to content creation success. Build your workflow, unleash your team's potential, and create content that truly resonates. So now you know how to build out an efficient content workflow, but that's only part of the story. Climbing the search ranks requires more. Your content also has to be SEO optimized. Click right here and I'll show you the exact roadmap to create content that search engines and people love. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks on mastering SEO.